In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Lloyds credit card. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your account overview. If your new Lloyds credit card is already linked to your profile, you'll see it listed along with your other accounts. Tap on the credit card, and if it hasn't been activated yet, there should be a prompt or banner that says Activate Card. Tap that, and you'll be guided through a short activation process. You'll typically need to enter the CVV number from the back of your card and possibly verify a security code that gets sent to your mobile number. After submitting the required information, tap on the Activate option to complete its activation process. Well, that's how you activate your Lloyds Bank credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.